So this is our new burrito bar. It's going down at Joel's, a local restaurant in town. These are a few of the students that have been working on it. These are the basics that we have them work on right here. All the skills, the professional skills that we've learned in here, which are the basics. Showing up on time, doing the job right, paying attention to detail, things like that can kind of get them a step above somebody else.
So I love being able to make projects for the community because I love seeing that people are going to enjoy the work that I've enjoyed. 3
big projects are happening, which is a burrito bar for Joel's, a palm tree for Joel's, and then a handicap wheelchair swing are our 3 main big projects this year. As well as we started one a little bit late, but we cut out some CNC dog silhouettes for the new dog park going in Oreille.
I never realized how passionate I was about any of this stuff until I took this class, so I'm really excited that everything's already figured out for me in my future before I'm even out of high school, so I'm really excited.
I'm looking at right now to becoming a welder while I go to vet school. I'm pretty much certifiable right now, so when I go into welding I can easily get my certifications, and then that will make it so that I'm getting more than most college students for work. And it'll really help be able to bring around and tie everything together financially.
And it teaches them a lifelong skill, something they're going to have for the rest of their life. Even if they never go into this field, they know how to build something from start to finish, to have a beginning from scratch to a finished product.